everyone, today I'm going to share a cake decoration. This is a black forest cake which is so easy to make, anyone can make it. If you wanted to know how to make a perfect chocolate cake, then you can check the description box. Today I'm using whipping cream. This is vanilla whipping cream and this is cherry jam, homemade cherry jam, which is so much delicious. You can have it with bread or anything. For authentic black forest cake, you have to use cherry jam or pie filling. You can also add fresh cherries here. This is not a sponge cake, this is chocolate moist cake. Now I am adding chocolate ganache. This is so necessary. This chocolate ganache makes your cake too much soft and delicious. Now I am using vanilla flavor whipping cream. You can use buttercream here. Vanilla whipping cream is lighter than buttercream. I love whipping cream. Buttercream is heavier than whipping cream. After having a slice of whipping cream cake, you feel so light. For a black forest cake, traditionally they use sweet meringue cream. You can see with a palette knife I am smoothing the side of cake. For decoration, today I am using piping gel. I'm going to cover this cake with the piping gel. For cute decoration, I am using chocolate leaf. I am using dust color top of it. After completing my decoration, you can see the look.